While the Minfos recommended best practice is to generate a daily wholesaler order, usage orders definitely have a time and place. Where your pharmacy has recently opened or recently changed to Minfos from another software vendor, it is likely there will not be sufficient sales and purchase history to generate an accurate daily wholesaler order. Usage orders are also ideal when preparing a replenishment order for a direct supplier, such as a range of vitamins or hair accessories. To generate a usage-only order, from the Stock Manager module, click Order Maintenance. Then click Generate. In the order generation window, your preferred wholesaler is listed in the supplier field by default. Update this to the supplier you wish to generate an order for if this is different. Leave the category field set as department. Leave the two Include All checkboxes ticked. This will ensure that all products from the specified supplier will be considered when generating this order. Enter a meaningful description for your order. Click the Order Type drop-down and select number 3, Usage Only. Some fields that are not relevant for usage orders will now be grayed out. The Order Content field defaults to all products. To order only dispense products or retail products, click the drop-down and select either 2 dispense or 3 retail. The starting date and ending date fields default to today's date. For a daily wholesaler usage order, you can leave the dates as today. For other types of orders, you may need to adjust these fields for the period that you wish to consider. It is important to remember that products must be sold within the specified time frame to be included in a daily usage order. Leave the Use Default Suppliers checkbox ticked. Tick the Stocked Only checkbox if you would like only products flagged as reorder stocked to be considered for this order. Click Generate to start the order generation process. Click OK to confirm that you would like to generate a usage-only order. The order maintenance window is displayed and your order will show with a status of created. To learn more about reviewing and sending your order, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.